everybody. Hi, it's Shannon Windsor from Shannon Windsor Fitness. I literally just got home from grocery shopping, and so I just wanted to get right to my food prep. Well, I kind of already had everything out, so I thought I would go live with you guys and show you kind of like what's going on in the kitchen. So I know I've been talking about our new program that's coming out, and we have this awesome new nutrition guide basically that we're following, and I have it up on my fridge. And I'm really excited about it because I always look for ways to make it for busy people. So I make it like really simplistic, you know, so that people who are busy on the go, people who have kids, everybody who's shift workers, can just really make things simple for everybody to be able to implement eating really well into their lifestyle. So today I wanted to just show you super quick how I'm making, a lot of people in my group love doing egg cups. And it sounds so funny, but it's something that's so easy, and it saves you A, money, and B, from stopping and busting in extra calories by stopping at, you know, Starbucks or, you know, McDonald's or A&W or whoever's got like a morning burger, Egger burger. And so this way you actually can just like make these yourself, and then they're not full of like preservatives and chemicals and stuff either. So what I did, I just see because I'm recording them on my Instagram as well. Hey everybody, hey Christy, hey Hannah on Facebook, Michelle, hi, what's going up guys? Oh, Michael's on. Hi guys. Okay, so just doing my egg cups, like what I do is I go and I get some ham from the grocery store, so you can see kind of what I did here in taking just like your regular muffin tins here, and I go and I get like nitrate free any of the ham. You can use turkey, you can kind of use like anything you want to do that, and then I get them to slice it a bit thicker. That's just a personal preference for what I'm doing here. So I line these literally in here. You can just use some sort of, you know, some grass-fed butter and just kind of, these are non-stick, so I mean they're quite fine. Anyway, so you just line with your ham or your turkey or what have you in your muffin tins here, and then you've got your choice of what you want to put in it. So I've got like some broccoli, some green onions, some tomato, and a little bit of cheese. And so literally, you're just gonna put in these little cups, like what you want to have here. Broccoli, you know what's really good in here actually is if you put in some, if you cook up some sweet potato. So I like to chop up sweet potato and cook up the like sweet potato, and then you can really add little diced up sweet potato to like any meal kind of that you have. So it's a really good idea to just kind of like take a bunch of them, chop them up, cook them in the oven, and then you're kind of all set, right? Okay, so then you're going to put, you know, I've got some tomatoes here, a little bit of onion, that kind of thing, right? So you can kind of see, and here I'll show you guys how you start to like fill up the little cups here. Hey Murray, what's up? Thanks for jumping on Instagram. Hey guys, thanks. So you can kind of see here how you just like fill up these cups here, and then what you're actually going to do is you're going to just take an egg and crack it right in there, you guys. So you're just going to take an egg. You can see I've just got, I like, you know, it's a totally personal preference if you're going to get, you know, free range eggs versus organic eggs versus, you know, it's really a personal preference for people. So you just take that and literally just crack it right in there over top. Oops. I'll put that right there, and then bam, that one's done. Oh, I got a little piece of shell on the side there. And then bam, that one's done. See, you can kind of, I don't know, maybe it's better on this angle. You can see that one's done right in there, right? So how easy is that, you guys? So those are gonna go in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400, and you're gonna cook them up, and you're gonna be done, and they are gonna be amazing. So I also have a little bit of, just a little bit of like Parmesan cheese. You can add like feta cheese. You could, you know, any kind of cheese you want. Obviously I have some grated cheese here, so I'm going to put a little bit of grated cheese on the top as well. And that's just like this white, what is it? Balderson cheese that Paul loves from Costco. So just gonna sprinkle a little bit of that on top, throw it in, and bake it for 20 minutes at 400 and done. So post below if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna be putting this cute little recipe up on my webpage. I'll put that in my blog for you guys. So if you do have any questions, you can post below, or you'll see it again when I put it up on my webpage. So thanks for jumping on. I just wanted to share that super quick with you guys. Have an awesome day. Bye.